So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol. So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. All right. Good. Hey, everybody. Happy Friday. Oh, how exciting. Why is my printer on? Excuse me. Hey, it is Friday. We made it. That's exciting. JC, huh? Yeah, I know. Sorry, that intro is a little confusing for the uninitiated. Nah. Anyways, how's it going? How you guys doing? I have been doing a lot of off-stream work on the game, and yeah, it's coming along. Done some interesting things. Trying to make sure this mic is proper. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, I've been working on the dev mode. Sorry, I was hearing some weird noise. It's just the computer fucking revving up. What the hell? And yeah, so I made this open and close this item finder list way easier to navigate. Now I organized it by post type, and it allows me to know exactly what the hell I'm looking at. And I can shut everything else off, so I just am looking at the type of item I want to look at, like walls. Okay, I just want to look at all the walls, so now I got to do that. Explainers, now I can just look at the, and I can hide all the ones I don't want. I do not want the goddamn explainers on. Turn those off. Cool. I don't want the signs on. Turn those off. Cool. You know, that kind of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have triggers. I don't just have like, because triggers are part of the post types, so I can't separate those and just find the triggers, but you know, whatever. I have the actual characters themselves here. I can see what they're doing, hide them, so this is fine. Yeah, I'm having an issue here. Why is my damn mic so quiet? Yeah, because that's my monitor mic. Is it all the way up? Hello, 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 hello. Or is that all the way? Oh, that's better. Okay, now I can hear myself a little better, and I don't have to be right in front of the mic. Cool. Better, better. Yeah. So anyways. So I worked on that. And I think... What am I getting an error on? Dataset break. Oh, okay, I think that's just NPC issue. We have all the offices working. NPCs are walking around. I set up all the walls. Let's turn dev mode off. It's hard to see. We have the break room we finished yesterday. And all the walls stuck. I don't know what was happening yesterday where things were getting shifted up. What up? Sama. Nama. How you doing? Yeah, so we got the break room all fleshed out. We have items in there. We got a sink. We got the tables and chairs, and they are, you know, collision points properly. So I can walk around them. Some of them are a little bit too close. But yeah, solid. So now what? So now that the map is actually done, I need to... Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, the map's done. NPCs are done. The explainers are up and running. We have the cutscenes. I did want to add some additional cutscenes to the other two scientists, the assholes. So I think I want to do that for these two guys. I just don't know if I want to make it force you to interact with them, or just have it like Carol, where if you happen to run into them, then they'll talk to you. So I think I'm going to do it like that. I think for just wandering NPCs, I want to just have the cutscenes come naturally. And then for like the missions, like talk to Salverson right there, I'll have it, you know, like this, where I actually have to talk to him. So that's good. So let's get those two cutscenes set up. What? And then I have to fix the rest of my animations. These different direction animations. Mostly just the punch. I just can't stand that the punch is smaller than the rest of them. Doesn't make any sense. Because yeah, everything else is okay. I definitely need to change this one too. But this is local, so let's make sure we have everything pushed up now. Because I fixed some stuff. Let's not push the database. Punch more. Yeah. So let's push up the game. And then we'll continue building the cutscenes in production. So yeah, my main focus was getting this open, close item shit more manageable, because as you saw, like when the list gets really long, like having these all open is almost impossible to deal with. So yeah, this was a big quality of life change. I still need to actually fix one bug, which there's something up when I click on the walls. So I forgot about that actually. Let's fix that first before I go back into creating shit. So right now, if I click on a wall, it's taking me somewhere else. I don't exactly know why, because it looks like the ID's correct. Let's double check actually. Oh, that's weird. Wait. I have two of the same wall? Oh, that's not good. Wait, is that true? No, I have different walls for every item here. Wait, where the fuck did that one come from? No, this is an actual item. Oh. No, this is a Find Explore item. What the hell? Yeah, look at that. It's a double. 3064. Why is it doubling up? Yeah, right here. 3064. 321. 64321. Shit, wait, when does it start repeating? I think it's 64. I must have screwed something up. Now it's repeating. Yeah, because I had to do some fuckery when it came to like grouping these together. Because I had to like loop it through all the post types, organize them under a post type, and then let it run. So I must be looping just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is really weird. It's only 5 of them. Because it looks like they go in order. All the way. Yeah, all the way to 3020. Then it repeats. Fucking weird. Yes. Pizza. I still don't think that's the bug, but I need to fix that too. So the actual issue is that, like, here's a wall, right? Somewhere. I don't know where this wall is. Well, let's click on it. So it takes me to the wall. Wait, what the fuck is this? How big is this? This doesn't have any height. Uh-oh. See, I'm getting some of these rando walls too. I wonder if these are all like... Oh yeah, look at that. All of these are kind of zero, tiny. It must have been fuck up click and drags maybe. I wonder if that's the same for the ones down here. Oh wait, no. It doesn't repeat, does it? What's this? Oh, those are the NPCs. Yeah. Okay, maybe these are just rogue walls that I need to delete. That's fine. Let's not fuck with that then. It actually looks like the maybe the clicking is actually working fine. Wait, which one did I just click on? I clicked on you. Maybe I should put the ID so I can match it to the HTML. Well, whatever. I can look at the actual the name too. What is this one? 469. There we go. So that's that one. And that is 3024. 3024. Okay, so this is the wall that I'm looking at right now. So yeah, technically it did work. Yeah, invisible walls. I think I need to change my border color too that I add when I click on something to highlight it, because triggers, you can't see it. So it's kind of dumb. So maybe I should make it like a little more obvious. Oh, that's background. Whoops. Where's the border color I added? Oh, right here. Yeah. Yeah, maybe red. I mean I could do green too, so it's not as like, hey, you fucked up. But even green is kind of hard to see compared to red. Yeah, let's go red. I don't think red's that big of a deal. This is dev mode. Finder. Where's the border color? Border. Oh, that's weird. Wait, what? I add... Oh. Select. No. Wait, what? Selected. Do I add a class? Oh, I do. Good to know. I did this in styling for once. That's interesting. Selected. Yeah, so we'll just do red instead. Red. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. That's it right here. So yeah, so instead of light blue, we'll do red. Then that'll be way more noticeable. Okay. Perfectos. Let's try it out real quick. We go here. Let's do something not... Actually, let's turn on God mode, no touch mode. There we go. Now I can't touch anything. Plant. Yeah, I like red. Red's noticeable. Good color. This is now ASMR. Alright, and then we got plant. Plant. Alright, cool. Yeah, this is working. We go to characters, we got Cranston. So that's Cranston. That's Giles. Good to know. I always mix them up. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I think we're good. So, forget that bug. What was I was gonna do before this? We're gonna... Oh, I wanted to fix my animation. Used to be lazy and make a cube red, and the borders mimic the cube. When I forgot about and deleted it, I was able to see the borders. Ah. Yeah, smart. Keep track. Yeah. Hey, Anuvrat. How you doing? Yep, Anuvrat. Welcome to the show. So, I mean, all I need to do really is just make sure that the punch image is the same size. So let's just do that real quick. Punch, 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 punch. Grain punch. And I should have a punch for every direction. Here's my static. Punch. We got punch down. We've got punch left. We've got punch right. And... is that all I need? Down, left, right? Yeah. Yeah, because I don't think I do anything when I'm going up. Alright, so I just need to update this to 103. That was my favorite. Beautiful. Alright, let's save you. Next. 103. Save you. 103. You're not able to see it since it's default sky blue, so I'm not able to see it. Autocorrect. Ah, got it. It's my love song. All right, so now that we're in production, which I should probably do one more push so I can get that red outline working for the sake of me. Yeah, okay. That took longer than it should have. Oh shit, I forgot to change the category in Twitch. Doom da doom da da. Push. Alright. Back to you. Let's go here. Bum bum. Bum bum. There we go. I still need to add Escape to Orbem as a game on Twitch so that I can start using that as a category. Because I realized that the other game I submitted worked. So I know that it works. So that's good. Not that it's going to get more views than me being on game development category. It's probably not, but that's kind of cool. That's a game now. Now you all can stream me playing, or stream yourselves playing this game. Alright, let's update the character, my character, or the main character, with the new punch images. So now at least it won't look so stupid. Alright, where's punch? Here's up punch. I'm not doing anything. It's static up. Let's do down punch. Ho ha ha ha. Oogie boogie. Ah, ah, ah. And I actually need to switch these. I need to put these inside of Graham's. Oh shit. I wonder if I can do that real quick actually. TDM Gamer, what up, bud? What's the best way to keeping things organized when coding? Make sure you have your GitHub running at all times. Use the repo. Push frequently so that you could always roll back. You can always see what you were changing, and you can go through commits. So every time I do, like, I use once a day, I push code to the repo. And inline comment everything you fucking do, because I always forget what the hell I was working on. So if I don't have inline comments, I'm screwed. Okay, use needs to go in here. That did not work. Let's try here. Go back. You, I will drag you to the ends of the earth. Oh shit, too far. Aha! Done. There, now it's organized. Yeah, let's upload all of these actually. What's the best way of keeping organized? There's no good way to be organized. Down punch. Down punch looks really stupid, but there you go. Hey, Quitrim! Today, miscellaneous. Because we finished the map assets for the, for Foresight. So, I want to add a couple new cutscenes just for the new scientists that I added. I need to add their signs as well. And then we should be done with Foresight altogether. I'll just run through it real quick. And, you know, if I find anything, I'll fix it. If not, we'll move on to the CEO office. And that will be exciting. Because that office has been empty for a while. Right now I'm just updating these because they've been pissing me off. These punching graphics. Alright. Always end up finding a piece of my fold in my my code and my recycling because I keep forgetting which is the updated version. Yeah, it's hard. Whew. I really like just the GitHub desktop app too for version control. I mean, you could do it terminal style if you're comfortable with that, but I like the visual aspect of it. I need to see the code changes. I like to see which files I'm changing before I'm like, you know, git push force. Fuck you. All right, so that's good. So now let's go to production. It is a little chaotic. So here's production. We got our bros here. Let's try punching. Oh yeah, look at it. Now punching is the same size. Oh, that's not the same size. But everything else is the same size. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punch. Let's update the static image too for punch. Oh, up punch. Up punch. Yes. Perfect. And let's add the cutscenes. So, in the book, Cranston and Giles, I don't talk to them. So I don't, actually technically in the book, I don't talk to Carol either. So, you know, I basically just run into Salverson, we talk, and then we go to his office. So I'm gonna have to make up some dialogue for these two dudes. I want to be short. Graham hates them. They're like part of the reason he got fired. So like, it should be kind of snarky and short. So let's go ahead. First off, I mean, it doesn't really matter who's who, but this is Cranston. Okay. So let's create a new cutscene for Cranston. This is going to be talk to Cranston. Talk to Cranston. What? Excuse me. And then, yeah, so short and sweet. Should be like, oh. Hello, Dr. Milford. We'll be running into him. Alright. And then this is going to be Cranston. Oh, we need to create a... Let's pick a voice for Cranston first. I don't want to have to redo this again. Hold on. Characters. Yeah, let's leave this one right now. Alright, what... I don't exactly remember what they sound like, but let's choose a random voice. Do they have like a British voice? I feel like he'd be British. Is BN British? No, I don't think so. Let's pick... These are all, by the way, Google API text-to-speech voices. I created a feature that pulls in all the voices and you can choose it. It's all fun and games. You hear Shaggy's voice firing you. Yeah, I know, right? You gotta be careful. So this is English. Okay, so yeah, let's stick with English. We got English, Australian, English. Maybe that's Great Britain, maybe? Is that what GB is? We got US, ES. Okay, that's Spanish now. Alright, so yeah, let's go with GB. And let's go with... I mean, news would probably be pretty good. Yeah, let's try it. We're going news. Hopefully that's a real voice. These are hard-coded lists, so I haven't been keeping it up to date. I think you're... Like, man, I don't think you're company material. That'd be so good. Like, you know, go get high, you little bitch. How dare you? Alright, and Giles, he's kind of like a greasy bug doctor, so let's see, what can we do for him? I mean, does he look Indian? Maybe. Maybe we should make him Indian. Not that Indians are greasy bug doctors, but I like to keep people international in this game. So I don't think is... Wait, which one is he? Giles? Is Giles an Indian name? I don't think it is. So maybe I shouldn't. Ruh-roh. Shit. I guess we'll just make him American. Ah, maybe we can make him Australian. Fuck it. Bug Doctor, Australian. Giles. We could do that. Let's go Australian. Wave journey mail. The journeys tend to be a little bit more expressive, so he might be kind of weird sounding. Alright, let's try it out. So now let's go back to the cutscene. And we're starting with... Oh, it didn't save it. Okay, whatever. Oh, restore backup. Sure. Attempt recovery. Sure. Okay, so hold on. Then we're going to go to Cranston. Alright. Oh, hello, Mr. Milford. Hey, Cranston. I don't want to be so formal, because fuck you. Oh, wait, I need to select the voice. Or what? Hey, Cranston. This is me. And, no hard feelings. Okay. And then I'll just go ... And then I'll leave. That works. I mean, you don't need voices. You can always do what games do, like D2. Deltrune plays a couple of sounds to simulate. I did do that. So, originally, you could probably find in some of my old videos, my old shorts. I have a short where I talk about it. I did dynamic tonal frequencies based off of the length of the word, and I created like a really unique talking system where it's like beep boop 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 beep boop boop, kind of like computer talk, where it changed, you know, based off of every word that they said, and it was cool. I liked it, but then one day I thought about it, I'm like, you know what, this needs to like be the next level, right? Like I want there to be talking. So I did the Google Text to Speech API, and it was pretty natural sounding. But I'm recording voiceovers for all this, not just me, but I'm doing the main character and a couple other characters, and then I'm gonna hire real people to do the rest, and just, you know, like I said, take it to the next level, invest, make it as good as it can be, because this is the POC for the Orbem game engine, you know? I want this game to not only get people into wanting to know more about the Orbem universe and read the book, but I also want it to be like, this is a major showcase for what this game engine can do, so people want to use it. So yeah. Nice, you just screamed. Perfect. And this is Cranston. But yeah, I totally like the just unique talking, like, you know, too. I think it works, and it's super easy. Only makes talking Sam replicas. Right. ... And then let's do one more and just say, bye, Cranston. Perfect. Short and sweet. And then we're going to assign this to Cranston. He will be the character. And I think that's it. I mean, I do need to do trigger type auto. So it doesn't require engagement. And I think that's it. We'll do the area. Yeah. You don't get anything for this. I'm not getting money or anything for talking to him. Carol gives me money at least. Yeah, I think that's it. And I can mute the music too. Yeah, this works. Let's try it out. I just want to make sure I did it right. What was the one sentence that speaks fear into all of its look, we need to talk. Right. Alright. Let's talk to this Brit.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Hey, Cranston.
That's good.
No hard feelings. Hey.
Bye, Cranston.
So good. That's a good... That's perfect. I was worried I was going to have to switch his voice up. But that it actually really fit the character, too. Good, good, good. And I forgot the period. There we go. So let's do Giles' talking scene now. That was good. Oh, hello, Dr. Milford. Perfect. Yeah, the Google API is pretty good. You gotta pay for it, but it's so cheap. It's not even a big deal. And I got signed out. Now let's do talk to Giles. No hard feelings, eh? Talk to Giles. So now, let's talk to Giles. What are we going to say? How you keep getting signed up? It's like a security thing. WordPress, like, automatically signs you out if you've been in a session too long or something. I also have a lot of, like, custom functionality going on with the login system, so I might have broken it. I don't know. But I definitely have been signed up before. This is my production site. A lot of hosts have, like, stricter timeline security, especially if you have it like open here and you're not doing anything, and then you open here and you are doing something. Okay, what's maybe I'll talk first in this sign. I'll say oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there. Then he'll say something in his Australian accent. No. Did I do Australian? Yeah. No problem, mate. POV in my password when I think it saves the password. Oh, yeah, that sucks. We'll do some awkward silence. So this is Giles. This is me. And then we'll do awkward silence. Wait, did I just add a fucking separator? No. Oh, this is not. There we go. Dot, dot, dot. And then we'll do Giles again. I gotta go pack up. Gotta go pack up. Gotta fire it and all. Make it really awkward and mention it. And then we'll make Giles have another awkward silence. And then we'll make him say something. Website is orbemorder.com. And you can get to the game directly just by doing orbem.games. Orbem.games. That'll take you right to the game. Gotta go back up, got fired and all. Look, I know, and then I'm gonna cut him off. Bye, Giles. Perfect. Kind of making it seem like Giles feels bad. Which, whatever, maybe he does. He could be nice. Maybe. Yeah, right? Oh no, I forgot to assign it to Giles. Giles. Good, I'm glad this configuration worked. First try though, just with the auto. I know I had to figure it all out with Carol, so I'm not surprised it works, but I'm glad it works. Because it could easily not work, because that shit happens all the time. Yeah, right? I gotta write some extra songs too, just for random cutscenes. Just like feel the mood. And I also was thinking about a brand new feature to cutscenes. So I wanted to create a new set of images for each character, which would be emotes. Happy, sad, angry, whatever, laughing, scared. And what I could do then is add a drop down for the emote of what they're saying. Because, you know, in most pixel RPG cutscenes and stuff, depending on what the person's saying, like they change their expression and stuff like that. So I thought that'd be a pretty good feature to add. So I'm thinking about doing that. It's just a lot more, a lot more images per character. I don't know how they do it, man. Some of these games, especially like really long games, ugh, so many assets. I mean, it's going to be the same for me, especially once we actually get the Orbem. Should make the text boxes move slowly side to side. Like, jiggle. Yeah, I have to restyle these text boxes too, by the way. They're too specific for the game. I need to just make them like white or something. Alright, come here, Giles. Let's hear your Australian accent.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there.
Ah, damn. That's too bad.
I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Yeah, I guess that Australian accent I chose was not on the list anymore.
Bye, Giles.
I like how I used the wrong bye as well. Hold on. I'm gonna have to redo these anyways. So wait, let's go to characters. Let's choose a new one for Giles. A new voice. We'll get away from the journey, I guess. Let's try neutral. News. I mean, news is pretty good for scientists. You know, keeps them a little boring. Let's try news. I guess it worked for Cranston. And let's go back to the cutscene. The fuck? Why am I like walking randomly? Oh, sometimes if I leave the page while I'm walking, it gets stuck. Cutscenes. We make the first part if the game should be plain and blend, and then when the real action starts, the text boxes will have unique colors and dancing boxes. Nah, it's more for the game engine. Like, I want to give people the option. I'm gonna do themes eventually too for these kind of things, like text boxes and stuff like that. Give them an option to not have to style it themselves. But I don't know. We shall see. Oh wait, no, I'm in the wrong character. And I meant to do Giles. You like to make things pop? Psh, sounds good. Oh wait, I'm going to the cutscene. What the hell am I doing? Cutscene. Talk to Giles. Resave. So now that should actually save the voices. The new voice, I mean. Alright, let's try it again. Go. Alright, Giles. Talk to me.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there. No problem, mate. I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Okay. That's an interesting turn of events. I have no idea why that happened. What? It's like his voice broke my voice. So hold on. Let's choose another voice. I need to redo the list. Alright, wait. How about neutral male? Hopefully this is a real one. I really need to update that list or make it kind of like automated. And now I gotta go back to the cutscene and resave it. This is not a good functionality, by the way. Unfortunately, because of this custom block. Ooh, yeah, you see now it's not even. It's giving me shit because the voice is changing. Alright. Let's try again. Reset. Is it broken? No, okay. Let's try it again. Alright, talk to me, Giles. He is kind of small.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there.
Damn it. What the hell's going on here? Is that not real either?
Pack up. Got fired and all.
Yeah, it doesn't like this shit.
Bye, Giles.
Let's try it again. Maybe I should give up on Australian. Let's just go to the Google Text API. Hold on. Didn't I have a... I think I had a bookmark for that. Maybe I don't. Yeah, he's buggy in code and a bug doctor, exactly. What was I doing? Oh yeah, Google text to speech voice list. Burp-a-doop-a-doop. Alright, chirp. Here we go. Where's English? English. Australia Standard D.
With cloud machine learning, your application in
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images.
Meh.
With cloud machine learning.
Oh no. I went to the Indian. What's the polyglot?
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
That's not bad.
With cloud machine learning,
With cloud machine learning, your
I don't know why it didn't work when I did it, but these seems like they're on the list. Needs to be older.
with cloud machine
learning, your application.
It's kind of hard to find like an older
With cloud machine learning,
Australian voice.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images.
With cloud machine learning.
No, I don't think I have these on my list either. Chirp, that's new. Chirp 3 I've never even heard of before.
With cloud machine learning.
Chirp. That must be a new one. Oh, it's premium, that's why. Actually, a lot of these are premium.
Interprets images, texts, and more.
with cloud machine learning, your
Whatever, I'm gonna try standard B. Standard B. B. Let's try it. Yeah, you can change the pitch in the code, but I programmed this, so I didn't add a bunch of pitch shifting abilities. Yeah, I could add the option to change its pitch and stuff like that, but I also need to give them an option to put the Google API key because I'm not letting them use mine, obviously, when they make their own game. Alright, let's try the cutscene again. Good. Save. Let's refresh because I feel like it's going to break again. No, it looks good. Alright, try it again.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there.
No problem, mate.
There we go.
I gotta go pack up. Got
Why is he
fired
still
again.
walking?
Look, I know.
Bye, Giles.
He shouldn't be walking. I made it so when cutscenes start, it's supposed to stop them from walking. That must be broken, actually. Shit. I also need to replace all the Unicode in my game with actual images because Unicode is not reliable enough. It's just such like an easy way.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Yeah, see, they don't stop walking.
Hey, Cranston.
No hard feelings. Eh?
Right.
Bye, Cranston.
Okay, let's fix that real quick. Because I need them to not walk, especially when I'm like in a cutscene that where they give me something. Freeze trigger. Freeze. Local. So I can test this out on Carol. If she doesn't stop walking, then it stopped working. Oh, shit. I gotta restart. New game. Freeze ray. Exactly. I'll definitely have a freeze ray in the game. Alright. Okay. Let's talk to Carol. Give me $50, Carol. Okay, good. So she's not stopping. So let's figure that out now that I can replicate it. So the way it goes is in engage cutscene. Oh, is this because I changed? No, see, yeah, NPC data separate. See, that's why this is weird. Because this should be setting this. Yeah, alright. They're just breaking through. So yeah, I get the NPC. I add this data set, and then if it has that data set, they're not... Oh, did I remove this actually from the wander? Shit, I might have removed this. I feel like something happened with this. So here's not wander, and then here's wander. That's a random. No, see right here. Yeah, if the data set is not break, then go. But am I setting it to not break? This is pausing. Break is true. Yeah, it's recursive. So we have to make NPC wander. And then it's looking at this break. So we're gonna have to check this out. So let's go to the whole engage cutscene portion and console log that out. Right here. Yeah, I remember I added this. It's possible. No, see, the cutscene's fine. NPC. Okay, so let's double check. Maybe the NPC is wrong here. Like it's not even the real person. Make it pause all movement when text appears. That's what some noobs do. I do it because my NPC characters will find ways to move. Yeah, well that's what engage cutscenes when the text appears. It's just I need to specify which NPC I'm talking to, because I don't want all NPCs to stop moving. So I had to make this specific. And I think that's where I screwed it up, is because I started making this specific to each NPC. So this might not be the right person, this NPC variable that I set. That's my guess. So let's see, when I burp. Yeah, see, that's the problem. It's getting null. So specifics, what is this game? The next 2077? Yes. Definitely. I don't know what that means. This game is based off my book series. That's all I can tell you. Read the books. You'll know exactly what this game's about. Okay. NPC is wrong. So we know that. So that means data trigger cutscene. What am I getting for data trigger cutscene? Let's get out of her way. I don't want to trigger the cutscene for her yet. Data trigger cutscene. Oh god. Let me get out of the way. Data trigger cutscene. Oh. No. I'm trying to make them not buggy. Data trigger. Oh, okay. Well, this is the problem then. That's not how you get the NPC. So the cutscene that I'm triggering, our map cutscene. So the trigger is Carol herself. Yeah, so maybe that's it. Data. So we need to figure out what the cutscene is. The position. I know that. So talk to Carol is the cutscene. So we need to grab this and then get the cutscene to fix the vanishing. Oh, that's good. So I think this is what I need instead. Wrong side. Yeah. I think it needs to be this. Because now I'll actually have the cutscene element. Oh wait, I already do have the cutscene element. I just need to get the cutscene character then. Yeah. Right. Oh, nice. Restream just reset on me. Fucking hate Restream. Well, no more talking. That's fine. I'm watching on another computer. Okay, so that's wrong. So instead, we need to get the NPC from the character. So that would be data cutscene character, cutscene. Actually, data character is Carol. So it'd be Carol map item, maybe? Yeah. Carol map item is the NPC. Oh no, that's not true. It's Carol map item, data genre, explore character. Yeah, okay. So, we have this. So it's cutscene. Data set. Oh, whoops. Data set. Character. So this is the cutscene. This is the character, if it exists. And then it will be map item data genre equals explore character. Now there's a query. Okay. Perfect. So that should be the NPC now. See if that works. And this should now make them stop walking. Alright, come here, Carol. We talking. There you go. She stopped walking. I'm gonna let her give me $50 and then start walking again. Nice. Perfect. Alright, let's push that up. That bug would have annoyed me. I just want to test it with all 3 characters too, so we'll check. And if that works, I think we're in a good position. Someone's mimicking you? I don't know, there's 10 people watching. Could be anybody. Yeah, right. Where was I? I can't catch myself in the middle of that song. No idea what I'm doing. Alright, scott.adrian.orbem@gmail.com. No. No chat for me. That's fine. Play some tunes. Astro. Forgot how to say maestro. Ah. Play some tunes. Something like that. Alright. Let's go back to production. Fuck you, local. And let's see if these cutscenes work. Let's talk to you, Cranston.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Oh, hello. Hey, look, he stopped walking.
No hard feelings. Hey.
Bye, Cranston.
Bye, Cranston. Let's talk to Giles.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there.
Yeah, I did.
No problem, mate.
I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Got fired and all.
Look, I know.
Look, I know.
Bye, Giles.
Yeah, and then they start walking pretty quickly after. Bugmaster Unstoppable. Never.
Wonder what that sign says.
Alright. Cool. Let's, real quick, we have their cutscenes. Let's add their signs, and then let's call it a night, I guess. Because I say so. So, we're going to try to use the front-end dev mode to add the signs. This should not be impossible. So, we'll go to the toolbox. We'll go to focus view. That's what it actually is. We'll call this Giles sign. And we'll use the same image. Looks like he is the evil and not even my grammar speaking. Nice. Exactly. I'm with you. I forget what the size should be. I can change it later though. Here we go. Is it this one? Yeah. Yeah, this one's on the right. Okay. Let's use that one. And then... Only problem is with signs you need to actually add text to it, so I'm gonna have to go back in the editor after. But we can at least do it now. Goes in foresight. And position-wise, let's close this real quick. Let's use the pinpoint tool. And I think I want to put this one, I guess, on this side. So we'll put it like next to Carol's. We'll do it like right here. So that's 3475. 3475. And the left is 2640. Nice. The old punch? I don't have an old punch. It's all the same punch. And then the width and height, I don't remember. Oh, actually, I guess I could check the other signs. So Carol's is 70 by 15. Smart thinking. 70 by 15. Awesome. Thank you, Carol. And that's it. We can just submit that. It should show up, it just won't have anything in it. There we go. Look at that. That was easy. And I got the positioning pretty close, but let's just move it a little bit. I kind of want to move Carol's up a little bit too. Oh shit. Sometimes that happens. God damn it. Come here, Carol's. Oh, what the fuck? Why is hers all fucked up? I do not know why. That is annoying, though. Is it because I'm in the way? It might be because I'm in the way. Yeah, I think it was because I was in the way. I need to put God mode on when I'm doing this shit. Oh, I'm not even in dev mode. Hold on. Let's try this now. Oh my god. Let it go. Just switching their signs around. Alright. You go here. Why won't it let me fucking let it go? Great. Another bug. It's... Oh, is it because it's on the wall, maybe? Is it interfering with the wall? I mean, it is weird that I can't grab it straight either, though. Nah, see, it doesn't matter. It seems to work when I let it go there, though. But, like, his doesn't matter. Why is it just her sign? What is wrong with hers? That's really weird. Is it because I have this shit open? Oh shit, something's wrong. We got a console error. We don't have a console error. What the hell? Why is nothing working? Dude, sometimes the game just explodes on me, and I have no idea why. I mean, I know it's a website, so it's kind of like hard. Yeah, like hers. Okay, that worked. Yeah, sometimes I just need to refresh. It's so weird. And then his can be a little bit down. Alright, that's better. Alright, let's Let's actually put something in it though. Yeah, we're done there. So we have a new, well, it's a sign. Here, this is an easier way to get to items. You just go here, you go sign. Oh wait, shit, no, it's still not working. What the fuck? This was working 2 seconds ago. What happened to my drop downs? This was literally working 2 seconds ago. I just checked the sign size. Why is... It's like it's closing right when it opens. Why?
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Oh, god damn it.
Hey, Cranston.
No hard feelings. Hey.
Bye, Cranston.
Wait, why is he walking? What the fuck? What happened? I fixed everything and it's broken. Yeah, bug master. What the fuck?
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Okay.
No.
But when I go into dev mode, for some reason, this shit doesn't work. That's weird. Nah. It doesn't matter if I do that. One good thing about... Oh my god. Dog freaking out. Got scared. Alright, let's figure this out locally. Is this not working locally? Nope. Working fine locally. Well, that's annoying. Let's see, is there anything to push? Hum. Oh, shit. Nope, nothing to push. So the only thing that's different is the new sign I made. So there must be something wrong with the sign. I wonder... Or focus view. Let's see. Yeah, Giles sign. What did I do wrong? Maybe I need to add something here. Let's just copy, actually. Let's copy the other two signs. Carol, I'm gonna copy your sign. Oh, that's right, I need to make a new image. Whatever. We'll just copy this for now. I forgot. Yeah, okay. And then it looks fine. Yeah, we got foresight, we got the size, we got the position. I don't see anything out of whack. We have an image. So let's go back to production and see if adding something in the sign fixes it. I don't know why it would. Yep, that worked. That worked. Okay, so the sign's working fine. Indicators showing up and everything. But can I open the list? No, I can't. And I don't know why, because the click event's happening. I could see it interacting. What the fuck? And the weird part is it's definitely working, but then it's like closing on itself. It's almost like I'm clicking on it twice, which I'm not. And it's not happening locally. That's so weird. Like toggle is toggling twice for some reason. So that means there is like a double click event happening, and I don't know why. Yeah, it's just this list, like the list groups, they're not opening and closing like they are locally. Which, I mean, it's not going to block me from finishing another sign, but... Oh, look at that. This one's out of whack. That's not good. Yeah, what the fuck is wrong with the signs all of a sudden, too? Like, now I can't grab things in the center? Like, what? Why does production do this sometimes? This is just like yesterday with the walls. Like, the walls were just a little bit out of whack. And I don't know what happened to them. Like, yeah, there's like some weird race condition happening when I like create a new item and I move an item. But like, I bet if I move this, yeah, look, and I can't even move that. Oh, I'm in the way. I gotta change my Z index. But like, if I see, this one's perfect. Completely fine. This tree, perfect. Moves with my mouse. But signs are not moving with my mouse properly. I'm not quite sure why. I mean, it's just a map item. There's nothing weird about it. Reorganize some code. You say random things sometimes. Alright, let me... Best thing I can do right now is pull down the database and see if I can replicate the click and drag issue. And well, we'll try to bug fix that. Just another day in programming world. One step forward, two steps back. Ugh. But hey, we've had fun tonight. We've made some good progress. Got some cutscenes going. Got a new sign. I just have to make the actual graphic. We fixed the punching, because that was kind of annoying. Did some other stuff that I can't remember. I did a lot of other stuff today too with the whole list thing, but that's not working. So hopefully it's a database thing. That would be nice. And I don't think there's any... Oh, that's weird. What? I don't think there's any upload files, actually. I don't think I uploaded anything new. But let's check anyways. It's always good to keep those in sync. And oh yeah, there's 16 new uploads. I do not know why, but there are. There we go. And pool. I think production's just having a little bit of a quirky day. And I think the game is starting to show its size. Like, there's a lot of items on this map. There's a lot of elements. There's a lot of JavaScript. There's a lot of styling. I mean, this is highly complex for just one web page. You know? So, I'm not super surprised to see weird quirks, because this is not a game engine. You know, I built this game engine, but this is not made to be a game engine. So, we're gonna run into some of these limitations with just the way browsers work in general, and the way a million interactive draggable items interact with each other. It's always how I've been. I hope your game does air, and good luck with your last glitch. I'm tired since I tried at least make it in one of it. Hey, yeah. Appreciate you jumping on, my friend. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next one. And hey, everybody else that's jumped on today, what do we got? We got... Yep, Franklin said hi. You don't read books. That's fine. I also have an audiobook in case you don't read. But the books are on audio. And the books we're talking about today are the Harmonian Chronicles. This is what the game's based off of. This is book 1 and 2 of the series. It's going to be a 4-book series. And there's audiobook, ebook. It's on Kindle Unlimited, paperback, whatever tickles your fancy. Hey, TDM Gamer, thanks so much for jumping on earlier. Anarat, also an early enter. And JC at the very beginning saying, huh? Appreciate you, my friend. And yeah, didn't have any Twitch visitors, at least none that decided to talk, but anybody watching in the future, thanks. Come say hi. I like talking to you guys. And any questions about the industry, web programming, game development, as much as I can say, because I am a website programmer. But this is my first game and game engine. And if you have anything you want to know about WordPress as well, I'm the guy. So yeah, feel free to pick up the books, get a little more understanding about what Orbem is. That's what the entire company name is, and everything that I'm doing is Orbem. So don't forget to pick up your flex keys as well. If you're a programmer, if you're a musician, rock climber, flex keys. It's a great little way to exercise your fingers and satisfy that fidgeting you're always doing. And the best part is, they come in any color combination that I offer. You like green and purple? You like black and purple? You like black and orange? Hey, Halloween style. These are available for $4.99, by the way. That's $4.99 US cents. And we ship anywhere in the US. And the best part is, if you come to stream while you're ordering it, I will actually print them live for you. You can see I have the printer in the top right corner of my face right there. That is my actual live printer. And I produce these products here in-house. And I ship them myself as well. So you get a little piece of Orbem mortar. 3D printer is its weakness. Yeah. It's very, very strong product. Promise. I play with them all the time. I've had the same one for months now, and they have not broken yet. Still satisfying. Hey, C Films, how you doing? I'm doing well. I'm actually jumping off right now. Thanks for jumping on. Appreciate it. Hey, look, the stream still kind of worked, even though Restream logged me out. So, with that, C Films, thank you so much for jumping on. I will catch you in the next one. Have an amazing weekend, everybody. Happy Friday or Saturday or whatever day it is for you. And I will catch you all later in the future. Goodbye.